Hey everybody, welcome to our first week after spring break. Over break, I was exploring some cool new tools that I want to use now that we are going to be doing this virtual learning thing a little bit longer. So the tool I want to show you today is called BoomWriter. It's a virtual journal where you guys can keep your journal together. I can look at your writing. It's a really cool tool, so I want to show you how to get there because there is a little bit of setup for you to get it going. So the first thing you need to do on your Symbaloo is go to Google Classroom or just type in classroom.google.com. And when you go to classwork right now, there's a new topic here called BoomWriter Journal. And if you click here, there is your new assignment. So you can click here, but as you see in the instructions, this code right here is going to be very important. So if you have a piece of paper, if you can pause this video, run and grab a Post-it note, a piece of paper, a scrap, anything to write on, and write down 63002-5F. That is our class code. This journal is pretty secure, so you can use it like your own personal journal, but nobody else can get in unless they have our class code. So to start, you're going to click on this assignment, and it's going to take you to the BoomWriter page. Now, I am logged in as Selena, so I'm going to log out. I was trying to see what it looked like, so it's going to look like this for you guys. It says log in here or with your Google account. You guys have your Google account. It's your email address for the school. So click on sign in with Google, and it's going to open up this page. You might have already typed in your email on your computer. You might not have. So let's just sign in like someone else that I have nearby here. Okay, I've got one. Remember, it's at student.msdlt.org. And once you do that, it's going to open up the Clever page, being like, hey, sign into Clever. Maybe. Ah, it wants me to be Selena again. Darn. Let's try one more time. All right, friends, it would not let me log into anybody else's account, so we're just in Selena's for now. When you get on here, it's not going to look like this. She is already in our class. I already played with her account. What you need to do is go to where it says Profile. And under Profile, you're going to see your first name and your last name and your username. And then there is going to be a place here where it says Classes. Click on Classes, and then right here is where you need to put that class code. So if you remember correctly, you can always jump back over. The class code is 63002-5F. So here you're going to write that down, 63002-5F. Once you do that, it will add you to the Clase Maravillosa de Señorita Isley. And then the cool thing about this is that you get a little emoji guy. That's your little, your boomer is what it's called. So you're going to create your little boomer. And once I accept you into our classroom, this is what your homepage will look like. You can see that we have the virtual learning journal. And if you write in there, you get 10 coins. And with your coins, you can buy things for your boomer. So I am going to have a writing assignment every Monday with our social emotional learning lesson. And that is part of your work for the day. Those are very short lessons. So it should be maybe in less than an hour thing, and then your journal. So I want that done on Monday, but I'm also going to have some open during the week for you to write if you love writing, want to practice writing and get better at it. So please go on to your Boomer journal and your BoomWriter journal and sign into our classroom. You will not be able to do anything here until I approve you. So please do that today, Monday, April 6th. And as soon as you do that, then I will be able to check throughout the day and I will approve you so that you can get in and get writing. I will try to add a message to you on your Seesaw once I approve you, okay? So I look forward to seeing your journals. I look forward for you guys getting money for your writing. Who doesn't love that? And if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out or see me on my Zoom between our office hours. Have fun, guys.